Here at Spreadshop, it seems like magic, right? First an order in your shop, then a happy customer. But there's so much more than meets the eye. So let's pull back that curtain and reveal that we're just real people doing magical things. Much like a beehive, we have dedicated employees buzzing around and working together to create products that are nothing less than perfection. Our facilities, we've got a lot of those, are equipped with state-of-the-art printers, we've got a lot of them. So we can keep up with your shop's success for years to come. Every time your customer orders merch from your Spreadshop, the product is printed to order. This means you're never stuck with excess inventory, and all of your orders are hot off the presses. The product will also be inspected with care, something a machine could never do. And oh yeah, we'll ship that baby for you too, right to your customer's door, anywhere in the world. See, we told you it wasn't magic. It's just us.